Muntinlupa Cagers. While ito na mga Bacolod Slashers, maybe just first jitters in that first game loss.
Puroy Katibuan. Sarangay. Trying to back down his defender. Nilabas muna kay Puroy Kantimbuhan. Takes that free and sinks that one in.
Legitimate scorer. Natin yun as the tournament goes along.
3-point lead for Muntinlupa. Quick catch and shoot by Puroy.
Oh,
off the window it goes.
What he did best.
Patuloy pa rin yung pagmintis dito ni Matt Salem. Puroy Kantimbuhan, really aggressive from the get-go.
Yeah.
Mark Matiliano, hooks a pass to Sarangay. Kantimbuhan gets it in for his 20th point.
So far, malaking tanong dito sa Slashers is, tsaka maganda din yung efficiency ng conversions nila. They're making roughly 9 out of the total 23 attempts that they take. Good shot by Barrera.
One-hander does not work though. Sombre Vega.
Kailangan takbuhan mo na to habang hindi pa nakaset up.
Kanyal,
There you go.
Able to sneak in that finish.
Kasi in a way, nahihirapan rin silang makapenetrate sa loob because of the paint.
You know, would you believe it, Coach Mike? They are the only undefeated team in the South Division. 3 wins, no losses. And a huge reason why has been this guy, Puroy Kantimbuhan, who now has 25 points.